Hi guys, my name is Sabrina and welcome back to my channel. This is the 6th and for now last Procreate mini-series episode. If you want more, let me know down below in the comments if you have any suggestions or ideas that you want me to try, and I'll give them a go and we can continue on this. But for now, this is the last one. And today I will show you guys how to use drawing assist, how to use clipping masks, but first how to use the brush tool in more ways than you could think. I don't know what this is called, but it kind of forces you to make perfect circles or better circles and better lines. So you can see that right now I drew a circle, and when I draw it again, but then I hold it at the end so I don't leave my pencil go off the screen when I'm done drawing the circle, it changes the circle itself. And you can see that when I move the pencil from left to right, it increases and decreases in size as well. So that might be a really handy tool if you want some better shaped circles, if you're adding a lot of those in your drawing, or just don't want to freehand them. I suppose this is just a little help. And it does the same with like a swirl. When you make a swirl, it changes them into like more like an angled kind of swirl, and I don't know why it does that. I just found that out by myself and I just thought it was so funny that it did that, so I just wanted to show you guys too. And of course it works for straight lines as well. So if you draw a straight line normally, it can be a bit wobbly, and if you draw a straight line and hold it at the end, it will just straighten out itself. Now do note that it does keep pen pressure in mind, so if you don't want to have a pressure difference, maybe select a different brush. So next we have drawing assist. For drawing assist to turn on, you click on your layers, then you click on the actual layer that you want it to go on, and there's drawing assist in there. Now if it's not in there, what you can do is you can click on the range tool and you can go up to drawing guide, turn off and back on, and it will appear in your layers. So that's how I got it to work. And drawing assist basically forces you to make straight lines. You can't make any curved lines of any sort, and I suppose it's really good if you want to draw perspective. It really helps you when you're holding a line, then it really forces you to go there and to hold. For those who would like to draw perspective, I think this will be really handy. And now we're on to clipping masks. It's kind of similar as the alpha lock, but this is on a new layer. So to make a clipping mask on an existing piece, what you do is you add a new layer, and in a new layer you click on it and then select clipping mask. So you can see a little arrow going down pointing towards what I've made an egg in this example. And once you start drawing on that clipping mask layer, it stays within the layer underneath there. So the egg I drew at first is a layer below this, and now I'm drawing on the clipping mask layer, but it actually sees the egg layer, so it stays within those limits. However, if you do decide to continue on the layer where I drew the egg, if you want to make more colorings in there, note that you will show more of the clipping mask layer as well. So you'll start to draw, and the clipping mask, if you have things going on, you can see that I'm drawing further than the actual egg. I'm drawing wider, and you can see my art goes outside that area. Then it will show if you keep on drawing on the actual layer below the clipping mask. And this was it, guys, the end of my video and the end of my Procreate mini-series. I hope you enjoyed them. I hope I taught you something, that you learned something. Even if you had one thing that you learned from all these videos, it was well worth it, of course. And if you liked it, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you next time. Thank you. Bye.